Hi, this is Lee Thurburn with Apricot Rocket Networking. This is member training tutorial number 2. Now, we all know that the secret to success is to help others succeed. So once you start helping others succeed, you're going to start earning money. And we want to review how you get your earnings and request payouts. So once you start inviting guests who become members, you're going to want to keep track of your earnings. You can find the commission earnings register two ways. From the left side menu, open the affiliate program section, then click the earnings register link. Or from the dashboard, click on the earnings register link on the affiliate program panel that's in the second row in the fourth column. When you get to the earnings register, you're going to see that you have a bunch of activity. Now this example shows activity from April 15th through April 20th. You can see that the earnings register shows you the date of the earnings activity, who the affiliate is that made the purchase, and who their sponsor is, along with a description of the earnings activity and the amount earned. The system shows both current balances and paid out dollar amounts. As you request payments from your earnings balance, those amounts will be shown in the paid out dollar column. Now, to request a payment, return to the dashboard, and then in the same case, you can either look in the left side menu and click on account info, or go back to the affiliate panel and click on account info. When you go to your account info page, it'll look like this in the lower left corner. On the account information page, you're going to see two columns. The left column has your ID number and your upline information. The right column has the affiliate payment request form. When you want to get a payout of your earnings, first visit the earnings register and determine how much you have available. Remember, you must wait at least 15 days before funds are available. When you know how much you want to withdraw, complete the affiliate payment request form and submit it. We will review the payment request, and if there are any questions, we'll contact you. Otherwise, we'll send your payment to your PayPal account within 2 business days. Now, note, you must be very careful to use the correct PayPal email. If you submit the payment request with the wrong PayPal email, your funds may be lost. Apricot Rocket is not responsible for funds that are lost if you submit the wrong PayPal email. All right, so have fun, go out there and invite guests, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.